Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another pre-braided wig. This wig comes pre-styled, you guys, and it was super quick and easy to install. So this wig is actually from Asteria hair, and this is their straight pre-braided lace front wig. This is a 13x4 lace frontal, by the way. It is considered ready to go because it does come pre-styled. The lace is also pre-cut, pre-plucked, and it is invisible. It's invisible HD, and it's giving scalp. I have this wig in 24 inches and in 180% density, and this wig was so soft and it was so shiny. The hair was very flowy. I liked it a lot actually. And of course we did this install without glue. So to get started, I'm going to give you guys an unboxing. They did send a lot of goodies. They even sent some ear tape adhesives if you would like to use that for your install. And as always, I'm going to give you guys some close-ups of the hair and the wig cap. Just like I mentioned earlier, the wig was super flowy, very shiny. And take a look at the style that they did, you guys. It does come pre-styled like this, and as you can see, it has some braids, two cute little ponytails, a zigzag part. Like, she was really cute. And once again, the lace is invisible HD. It comes pre-cut and pre-plucked, and it does have the baby hair already done for you. And of course, she has the adjustable strap inside of the wig cap as well. So the angle of my camera is a little weird right now. Don't worry, I'm gonna adjust it later on in this video. Well, actually shortly. My apologies, just ignore that for now. But anyways, as always, I'm gonna add some foundation onto the lace because you wanna make sure that the lace matches your skin color as best as possible. Even though she is invisible HD, you still wanna make sure she got that color there, that tint there that's gonna match your skin tone. So I went ahead and I threw the wig on, and I also used that adjustable strap to tighten the wig cap a little bit. Now I did ask for a small cap size, and the wig cap did fit pretty great, but what I didn't like was the fact that the lace went over my ears. I think there was just way too much lace room on this wig for me, which is unfortunate. So as always, we're just gonna have to work around that. So I basically just pulled some hair to the front and then kind of tucked the remaining of the lace behind my ears. I know some of you are probably like, why didn't you just cut it? When it comes to these pre-styled, pre-cut lace wigs, I am afraid that I'm going to mess it up if I were to cut it. I don't want to cut any of the hair off. I don't want it to look weird. I don't know. So I just find a way around it versus giving myself a headache. This always works for me anyways, so I could deal with it. It's fine. But anyways, we're going to use some lace melting spray to keep the lace in place, obviously, because we have so much lace room and it wasn't fitting me perfectly. I just needed a little bit more security. So I'm just going in with a little bit of lace spray, and I'm going to press it firmly into my skin once the spray gets tacky. So because we used some spray, I am going to allow the lace to melt and set underneath this elastic band, and I kept it on for like a good 5 to 10 minutes. I didn't wait that long. Alright, the elastic band is off now, so I'm going to add the darker foundation right to the edges of the lace. This is what helps to blend the lace into my makeup, etc. You don't want to see a line of demarcation where you kind of see that line of the lace there and then your makeup. You don't want that, so that's why I'm adding a little bit more foundation. And then for all of the parting space that is exposed, I'm going to go in with a lighter foundation, and this is going to help it look more like a scalp. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up of the lace soon, don't worry, but for right now we need to fix these baby hairs. Now I did kind of hassle with these baby hairs a little bit because they were way too dramatic for me. You guys know I'm not a baby hair girly, and these were just a lot for me. So I attempted to work with what they gave me at first, but I wasn't feeling it. So I ended up cutting a little bit off, and I still wasn't feeling it. So we're gonna get back to it later, but I am gonna give you guys a close-up of the lace to show you how natural and how beautiful she is looking. So ignore the baby hair for now. I'm gonna go back and fix it, but this is what the lace is looking like, and don't tell me she's not giving scalp. She looks absolutely beautiful, which is another reason why you do not need all those crazy dramatic baby hairs, but I get the point of the style. Now, the next thing that I did, because you guys know I'm picky, I decided to go ahead and fix the ponytails, and I'm gonna blame this on myself. I was pretty rough with the wig when I took it out the box and I was fitting her on my head, and because of that, it caused some frizz. There were little tiny hairs sticking up and it looked messy to me, so I just went ahead and I fixed the ponytails, and we're gonna fix those baby hairs. Okay, I'm satisfied now. The baby hair is still a lot for me, but it's a lot better than how it was in the beginning, at least according to me. You guys know I have my own preference, but now it's time to just freshen up the rest of the hair. We did just take her out of the box, so being that this is straight hair, there were some dents and stuff like that, so I just wanted to touch up the hair a little bit. The quality of the hair, you guys, was absolutely amazing. I already mentioned how flowy and how shiny she is, and that's with no product. I did not put anything in this hair to make it look like that. That's how she came. There was no tangling, and as far as shedding, it was very minimal. Now I know we only played with the hair that was, you know, available. We didn't really do too much to it, but as far as me brushing through the hair, using the flat iron, combing the hair, the shedding was very minimal. Okay, I'm officially done now. I'm not doing any more touch-ups. I'm not making any more of a hassle for myself. I'm sorry I'm very picky, but I just want everything to look neat so that it looks presentable to you guys. That's all. So this is what the hair is looking like. This is what the lace is looking like. The style of the wig is actually really cute. Would I go out in public with this? I'm not really too sure because this is not like my go-to style, but she is very cute, and I can see why this wig would sell and also why this wig is pretty trendy as of lately. It's really cute. Now, Asteria hair, I need a wig just like this, and I mean, I need this lace to be exactly how it is on a regular unit where I can actually just wear it regular without the style. Now obviously if you get this wig, you can just take the style down and do as you please, but I would like to see this type of lace across board. This type of lace should be standard, okay? It was absolutely beautiful. It was thin enough, it was true HD, it definitely was invisible, and with a style like this you need the lace to look like that. Otherwise it will look very wiggish and it would not look presentable to the eye. It would not look nice. So comment down below and let me know what you guys think about this wig. Let me know how you feel about the style. I already know a lot of you guys are probably gagging over the lace. The lace is beautiful. I have no complaints about the lace. The hair texture and quality was great. The style was very cute as well, but I want to know how many of you guys are actually bold enough to wear a style like this. Everything will be listed in my description box down below, so make sure you guys check it out. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys next time.